So to take this handle apart, what you want to do is get these needle nose vice grips, clamp onto the shaft right here very tightly, and then you can take a large screwdriver, put it down in between the handle and the vice grips, and pry it over so you're compressing the length of the shaft until the shaft pops out of the handle, and then pull it out away from you and pop it out. So to put the spring back in, it's a little bit tricky. What you want to do is slide it onto your shaft here, and then it goes into this upper hole here. It's already got a plastic piece in it. The easiest way is to put that in first, and then slide the rod into the slot, and put the rod into the plastic piece here. Got your vice grip still on. It's your large flat blade. Then you're going to take this part of the spring here, wind it back up onto the handle. And then put it back together, the rest of the handle and mechanism. You're all set.